Motherhood doesn't come with a single rulebook, and breastfeeding shouldn't either. Every mother, every baby, and every journey is different. Learning how to use a breast pump is simply one of the many tools that can help support your breastfeeding experience. Before you begin, make sure your hands and pump parts are clean. Assemble the breast pump according to the instructions, and choose a comfortable, quiet space where you can relax. Being calm helps encourage milk flow. Position the breast shield so it fits comfortably around your nipple, creating a gentle seal. Turn on the pump using a low suction setting to start. This mimics your baby's natural sucking and helps stimulate letdown. Once milk begins to flow, gradually increase the suction to a level that feels strong but comfortable, never painful. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until milk flow slows. If you're pumping both sides, you can switch sides or use a double pump to save time. When finished, turn off the pump before removing the breast shield. After pumping, store your breast milk in a clean container or storage bag, labeling it with the date and time. Disassemble the pump parts and wash them thoroughly, allowing them to air dry for the next use. A breast pump gives you the freedom to feed your baby on your own terms, at home, at work, or on the go. It supports your breastfeeding goals while fitting into your daily routine. Breastfeeding isn't about perfection. It's about learning what works best for you and your baby, with the right tools and support along the way. Breastfeeding, with the help of a breast pump, your way.